Did you know that squats are often called the king of all exercises? And for good reason. They work almost every muscle in your body, from your legs and glutes to your core and even your back. But here's the real question. What would happen if you committed to doing 100 squats every single day? Would you transform into a fitness guru? Or would you end up with legs so sore you can't even sit down? In today's video, we're breaking down the science, benefits, and even the risks of squatting 100 times a day. Whether you're a beginner looking to kickstart your fitness journey or a seasoned gym goer curious about the hype, this video is for you. But before we dive in, let me ask you this. Have you ever tried a squat challenge? How many squats can you do in one go? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our fitness tips and hacks. All right, let's get into it. Let's start with the most obvious benefit. Squats are a powerhouse for building lower body strength. If you commit to 100 squats a day, you're essentially giving your legs and glutes a daily workout. Over time, you'll notice your quads, hamstrings, and glutes becoming more defined and toned. And let's be honest, who doesn't want a perkier backside? But here's the thing. Squats aren't just about aesthetics. Stronger legs mean better mobility, improved balance, and even reduced risk of injury in your day-to-day life. Whether you're climbing stairs, playing sports, or just chasing after your kids, those squats will pay off. Now, a quick warning. If you're not using proper form, you could end up with knee pain or lower back issues instead of killer legs. Always keep your back straight, chest up, and knees aligned with your toes. And if you're new to squats, start with bodyweight squats before adding any extra weight. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Pro tip, if you want to take your squats to the next level, try variations like sumo squats, Bulgarian split squats, or pistol squats. These target different muscle groups and keep your workouts interesting. Here's a fun fact. Squats aren't just a leg exercise, they're a core workout too. Every time you squat, your abdominal muscles engage to stabilize your body. Over time, this can lead to a stronger, more defined core. Imagine this. You're not just working on your legs, you're also sculpting those abs without doing a single crunch. But let's be real. If you're fueling your body with junk food, those abs might stay hidden under a layer of fat. So pair your squats with a balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and whole foods. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Water is your best friend when it comes to fitness. Now here's a question for you. Do you feel your core engaging when you squat? If not, you might need to focus on your form. Try bracing your core. Imagine someone's about to punch you in the stomach as you lower into the squat. This will help you engage those abs and get the most out of every rep. Now let's talk about fat loss. Squats are a compound movement, meaning they work multiple muscle groups at once. This not only builds muscle but also burns a ton of calories. Doing 100 squats a day can help you torch fat and boost your metabolism even after you've finished your workout. But here's the catch. If you're only doing squats and nothing else, you might hit a plateau. To maximize fat loss, combine your squats with other forms of exercise like cardio, strength training, or even yoga. And don't forget to challenge yourself. Once 100 squats feel easy, try adding weights or switching to jump squats for an extra burn. Fun fact, did you know that muscle burns more calories at rest than fat? So the more muscle you build through squats, the more calories you'll burn throughout the day. It's like a win-win situation. Let's not forget the mental benefits of squats. Physical activity, including squats, releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that can turn a bad day into a great one. Plus, there's something incredibly empowering about crushing 100 squats every day. It's like a mini victory that sets the tone for the rest of your day. But fair warning, if you're new to squats, start slow. Overdoing it can lead to soreness that'll make sitting down a nightmare. Pace yourself, and remember, progress over perfection. And if you're feeling unmotivated, try doing your squats in front of a mirror or with a friend. A little accountability can go a long way. Here's a personal tip. I like to pair my squats with my favorite playlist. There's something about upbeat music that makes even the toughest workouts feel like a dance party. What's your go-to workout song? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's talk about the risks. While squats are incredibly beneficial, doing 100 of them every day can lead to overtraining, especially if you're not giving your muscles time to recover. Overtraining can cause fatigue, muscle strain, and even injury. To avoid this, make sure you're incorporating rest days into your routine. Listen to your body. If you're feeling overly sore or fatigued, take a break. And don't forget to stretch before and after your squats to keep your muscles flexible and injury-free. Pro tip: if you're experiencing knee pain, try adjusting your stance. A wider stance can reduce pressure on your knees, while a narrower stance targets your quads more. Experiment with what feels best for your body. Before we wrap up, let's talk about real-life results. I've seen people transform their bodies and confidence by committing to daily squats. But I've also seen people push themselves too hard and end up injured. The key is balance. Start slow, focus on form, and celebrate small wins along the way. If you've tried a squat challenge before, share your experience in the comments. Did you see results? What challenges did you face? Your story could inspire someone else to start their fitness journey. So what happens if you squat 100 times a day? You'll build strength, burn fat, and boost your confidence, but only if you do it right. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a sprint. Start small, stay consistent, and don't forget to listen to your body. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments, how many squats can you do in one go? And hey, if you're curious about other fitness challenges, hit that subscribe button because we've got plenty more coming your way. Until next time, keep moving and stay awesome.